I told him when he dies, I'm gonna cut that thing up. When you die, I'm gonna put a Ford motor in it.
Welcome back to the channel. This is Brent. He's gonna tell us about his Mustang here, his 4i Mustang.
Yeah, it's an 82. I bought it in 95.
Okay.
I graduated high school. So it's had many different looks over the years, many different engines.
Okay.
But at this point, it's got the new ride tech in it. So we cut the shock towers out.
Oh, I saw something different here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I tried my hand at metal work. So I did all this, made the panels, everything myself in my garage.
Serious?
Yeah.
Man, that's respectable, man.
I bought a hand crank bead roller thinking my son could help me, but he couldn't turn it, so I had to get my wife to help me. We got the wife camera woman back here.
Yep.
So it's got the factory 82 front end on it, classic LED turn signals, they're the best.
Okay, right on.
ESR wheels.
Oh, nice.
It's got Willwood brakes front. I got a set of Willwoods for the back. It's got the Ride Tech SLA in the front.
Yep.
Ride Tech coilovers and just Ride Tech control arms in the back. I put the newer model windows in it when I was like 20, so they're out there at the moment. Got a rear windshield wiper.
What's up with that?
It's the only car I've seen 4 total. They've all been 82s.
Okay.
And they were all burgundy.
Yeah.
I don't know if this one was originally burgundy.
The rear wiper though kind of sets it out as different, you know?
Yeah. But it's got 85 spoiler on it. I had a Celine wing on it at one point. I had the 82 wing on it at one point, but I landed on the 85 factory spoiler.
Good taste.
I like it, no tip rear, because this didn't have a third brake light to begin with. So
Right.
aluminum drive shaft, all the normal stuff. It's got a 6-point cage. I'm actually going to cut some of it out.
Oh, really?
Because I won't let the kids ride in the back. I'm actually going to cut this bar back out. So I got scared. I took it to the drag strip when we built the stroker Windsor for it. And it blew a freeze plug out, and I rubbed the wall. I thought it was going to hit on the wall. Luckily, it come around and just grazed it. The wheel that hit the wall is actually holding my flag up there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but
I bet that was scary.
That's why I put the cage in it. But then I had drag racing since. So the kids always want to ride in the back. So I'm just gonna cut this bar right back out because I have 4 bucket seats in it. Like I got the same seats all the way in and 2 consoles.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. Okay. I did that like 2018, 2019, somewhere in there. 8.8 swap because these had 7.5s in them, 7.5 exactly. Yeah. You got a full 3-inch exhaust on it. It's a Summit, like make your own X-pipe, Dynamax race bullets, and 3-inch Fieldmaster tailpipes.
Dude, that's awesome.
Everybody used to say it looked like a Mad Max car, and it's a girl, so her name's Mad Maxine.
Mad Maxine. I can dig it, man. Black Widow and Mad Maxine.
Yep.
There you go.
I just put another bumper on for
Oh,
paint.
you did? Okay.
My other one, a buddy of mine, were painting it the first time in the middle of winter. We had a little torpedo heater, blow it, and we were going out between coats, and he just flips it around to help dry. And like it shot it right at the bumper.
Oh,
and we come back in, the bumper's like, we pushed it back out the best we could, and I rocked it like that for a long time.
Yeah, but once those bumpers are warped in, they're done.
So I found another one. It's a little, the body man's got to deal with that, but
Yeah.
it has classic LED tail lights, which are not in right now.
Right.
Travis, a friend of mine, and
Travis is cool.
yeah, it was straight drive out originally, put an automatic in so I could drag race. Go back to a stick shift, back to an automatic. Yeah, I was back to a stick shift again. So you have a car that long, you get tired of it, you got to change it up. So we got to fix a couple dents. I had a shelf that was in the garage just fell on it, and then a friend was helping us sand the first time we painted it, sanded the window. Oh, it's got a Ball Sports 29 hood scoop on it.
That's nice.
So, it's almost like a Johnny Cash car. A little bit of here, a little bit of there,
Uncle Cash.
Yeah.
That's what my kids call him, Uncle Cash.
Okay.
They grew up thinking that was their uncle. I called him that, and I never corrected them. So
Yeah.
dude, that is nice, man.
Yeah.
So how long did it take you to do that?
I've been working on, like after the kids go to bed. I got 4 kids, so.
Yeah. Well, you know how many I got.
Yeah. So like, after the kids go to bed, it's things like that. So I've been working on it since like January-ish.
Yeah.
Like after Foxtoberfest, I pulled the motor and stuff like that, and
Okay.
got serious about it in January.
Right on.
I made one piece like 3 times over there before I got it right.
Been there, done that.
Yep.
Yeah. Do it till you get it right, man.
Exactly. So now it's going to paint. Actually, after the show, I'm dropping it off at the paint shop.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what are your future plans for it? Like color and everything, engine?
It's going to have the same stroker Windsor's going to go back in, and it's got a tree mech in it already.
Okay.
So basically, I've been working on the drivetrain for a while. I got it dialed in. I just pulled it out to do all this. I redid the interior like 4 years ago, so it'll all go back pretty much stock.
Right on.
Color's undisclosed at the moment. It is going to be changed. It's not going to be black anymore.
Okay, I can dig it.
We're going to do a full color change on it. I've had almost 30 years time for a new facelift.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
How long have you had it? Should we say about 30 years?
It'll be 30 years next year.
Okay. Well, you look pretty young, so you got this when you were a teenager then?
I was 18. This is my first purchase, you know.
No.
Get out of high school and go into debt, you know. But yeah, I raced it some. You know, it's had countless sets of wheels on it.
Right.
You know, several different engines in it because I'd like to blow them up. Too much nitrous and things like that. So
Race, brake, fix, repeat.
exactly. And then when I was taking the dash out this time to get it ready for paint, I found some wiring I did when I was 18 that I need to fix. When we go back, like there was like speaker wire for the coil wire, and you know things we
Hey,
do.
it's all wire, right?
Yeah, exactly.
That was the mindset back then anyway.
Exactly.
Right? Yep. As long as it worked, didn't start a fire. So.
Exactly. It's lasted this long.
Yeah. Your channel name is
Hicks House Videos. Yeah.
Okay. I like that.
Thank
Hicks
you.
House Videos.
Yeah.
So how did you come about that name? About your last
My
name?
last name's Hicks.
Okay.
Now I wanted to do like, well, we just didn't have to do car videos, which that's mainly what I do. But
Yeah.
then we could do anything on the channel. I didn't want to be like stuck in the one niche.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Same here.
Yeah, exactly.
On everything.
So I like any car. If it's got wheels on it, I like it.
Yep. Same
So-
here. Same here.
But even though I've been a Foxbody guy my whole life, like my first car was a Foxbody.
Okay.
But I had a 91 Buick Roadmaster wagon. That was my daily driver. I'm looking for another one now. My dad was a car guy, so he's got like a 31 Chevrolet. It's all he likes them all stock though. It drives me crazy.
Oh man, you got a 31 Chevy. You have to modify it.
I know. I told him when he dies, I'm gonna cut that thing up. But
So you can roll over in his grave.
yeah,
What's up
exactly.
with that?
Yeah. Then my father-in-law is a car guy as well. So
Oh, really?
He's got a 56 Chevrolet.
Okay.
And I was messing with him one day. I was like, if you don't get this thing finished, when you die, I'm gonna put a Ford motor in it. Trying to get him motivated. So
I'm sure that motivated him. Really?
yeah. He's been moving on it since then. He's had it since he was like a teenager. It's got a flip up front end, like he used to drag race it.
Yep.
Full fiberglass front end. It's a cool
Oh
car.
man, I bet that is nice.
Yeah.
I appreciate you, brother.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Yeah.